Hello, welcome and good evening everyone. So in this video I'll be discussing about tomorrow's Nifty and Bank Nifty trade plan and the trading strategy which I am planning to follow. So first of all, let's see what happens based on the level chart yesterday, whether we got any trades or not. And also make sure everyone click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. And in terms of the live market update, stay connected, join the Telegram channel. The link is available in the description. Even today we got a small trade on the bank Nifty put option trade, and we have booked a minor profit on it. And after that market was started overlapping the few things about I have mentioned about somewhere here when the price was approaching this pivot zone. When price was approaching this pivot zone, I have booked my 50% of my profit. Why? I have answered the question mainly because even in the telegram I updated it. The main answer because of booking the 50% of my profit on the morning option trade of put option which I have taken on Nifty is all because when price was approaching the pivot points, the volumes were dropping. Okay, the volumes were dropping compared to this downward. Because if the price has to fall aggressively, price has to clearly breach the pivot points with volumes, pivot levels with volumes, because pivot always act as a resistance. If the volumes are automatically dropping down like this, that will make, there might be a chance this same pivot can act as a support to some extent, some point of extent it can act as a support. Exact same thing I have mentioned. I have shared the logic and the reason behind booking 50% and trailing the rest at my entry cost. And one more thing, this is always in the live market on the telegram, there is something new which you will be learning every day. So today's main learning was this low volume approach, and the second one is if there is a struggle in price to move up or down near reference level, price has an higher chance to reverse back to VWAP. Read it twice or 10 times, you can write it down or you can remember this. This will work a lot. With my experience, I'm telling you, same effect happened. Price when it was struggling to move down because of low drop in the volumes. What is the effect when the price is moving? Price is already slowly moving down, but at the reference level, if the reference level is easily not crossed with volume, then there is an higher chance there is weakness from the traders. In this case, weakness from the sellers, higher the chance price can reverse back to VWAP. That is what exactly happened here. Confusion making the price to reverse back to VWAP. And after somewhat, probably by 12:30, I mentioned the chart that the volumes are further dropping. After that, I was not monitoring the market for the day. Okay, so there was one plan which on the bank nifty which probably achieved. Yes, this was the plan yesterday which I have said. The plan which I have shared yesterday. 35,355 to 35,350 is the level. If price comes to the zone, gets a rejection with a bearish candle or a bearish rejection candle shorting below this. This is the candle. If you're checking this price approaching the zone, getting a rejection, a bearish candle, short was easy short below this, stop loss few points above this as a buffer as my stop loss. Unexpected target was 150 points. It was an easy short trade. Probably target triggered somewhere here. Below 300 was the entry and 150, 35, 150 is the target. It was an easy trade based on the yesterday's plan shared. I don't know how many have been tracking it. Other than none of the other trade plan came, but the Nifty's trade which I have updated, it was my trade which I personally took. That is the importance of joining the free telegram channel. You'll be getting live market updates. I don't speak much on the aftermarket telling any gyan here. I am here to showcase you whatever is there live, which you can see. I can't hide anything on the live market. If I've done any mistake, I'm ready to accept. Okay, so for tomorrow there is, I'll be sharing limited plan because market is again in an stage where multiple price behavior volatility can come into play. That That means I'll be more interactive, more reacting during live market on the Telegram channel. So make sure to join the Telegram channel. So one plan is Nifty future 16,060 level to 16,080 level. This zone is very important for tomorrow. If market opens flat or minor gap of opening, if price comes to the zone, try to get the rejection of price consolidating and getting a pullback rejection. At this juncture, what I want is very important is I want either a bearish clean bearish red candle or a bearish rejection candle clearly closing below 16,060 levels. So that will make me to plan my bearish trade for an expected target of 70 points. Expecting a target of 60 to 70 points will be my target, and stop loss above the candle eye. And if the candle range is more than 70 points, either this rejection candle or a bearish candle, if the range is more than 70 points, I'll be avoiding taking this trade as per this plan. So before moving on towards bank nifty, there is one more plan on nifty, but this is a bullish plan. But just I'm sharing the level here, but not the exact how I'll be reacting, because markets are slowly trying to come down again. So as we, this is a bullish plan, directly price approaching the zone, getting a rejection, taking a bullish trade, that will be completely against the current trend, which is downside for the intraday trend of this current week I am speaking especially. So just I'll be sharing this level here, 15,880 to 15,855 is the level. Mark down this level. I'll be closely looking multiple scenarios here, because if price coming to the zone, how the price is reacting here, whether price is reacting above this level or below this level. Because if price reacting below this level, any pullback rejection or a breakdown, that will lead the price to fall further down. That I'll be updating in the live market here. It's not a blind shot approach. We can't go and execute the trades, because if the plan is bullish here, that is completely, we need to check what's happening around this zone, how price is reacting, what is happening, whether volumes are pumping up or pumping down, what type of candle behavior, what type of price behavior is getting developed, and how the buyers, this is how the sellers both are fighting or how they are reacting. There are multiple scenarios which need to be checked before taking every trade, but for this is also very important. Okay, in terms of bank nifty, again bank nifty was more weaker compared to nifty in today's trading session. So these are two levels, 35,150 to 35,120 is the level. If price comes to the zone, trying to get a rejection or price consolidating a pullback rejection, at this juncture same scenario, I want to make sure to get a bearish candle or a bearish rejection candle closing below 35,120, below this candle or below this, whichever is forming. I'll be planning my short side trade with stop loss above this candle with few points, 10 to 12 points buffer, with an expected target of 140 to 160 points. And if any of this candle range is more than 140 points, I'll be avoid taking the trade. That will why? Because it will make the risk reward slight higher, and I don't want the risk to be higher. I want the reward to be higher. For that main reason, more than if the candle range is 140 points, I'll be avoiding taking the trade as per this plan. Because today I'll be sharing the limited only 3 plans, because I'm expecting market to react in a volatile way in the upcoming sessions, and probably tomorrow is an expiry. When I speak about volatility, it's not about aggressively moving up or aggressively, not only about aggressively moving up or moving down. I'm also speaking price might be sudden stop loss hunting up, sudden down move. So volatile stop loss hunting move can also be take place, because many traders, what they think is volatility means one-sided direction. No, the real volatility is price moving up and down, triggering top to bottom trader stop loss. That is what I have shared the limited plan. More focus will be on the Telegram channel during the live market. Make sure to support us. It's all about support. Make sure to like the video if you find the content useful. Make sure to join the Telegram channel. And even in this YouTube channel, there are almost 10 to 11 hours of learning content. You can check it out on the playlist, or the link is also available in the